Hi there, welcome back. In this lecture, you will learn how to install the VMware and VirtualBox virtualization software on Windows operating systems. But notice that you should install only one of them. You can use both, but it will take up considerable space when you work with two of them at the same time. And because of that, you may have insufficient disk problems. So one of them will be enough for you to proceed with the course. First of all, please make sure that you have enough free disk space. It may vary depending on the virtual machine image you have, but I highly recommend that you should have at least 30 GB of free disk space in order not to have any problems. In my experience, the virtual machine we will use works faster with the VMware software. But if you like, or if you have any problems with VMware, you can use the VirtualBox option. This will also work fine. Great, so let's start with the VMware software. Now, we should download the necessary software first. I share the download link in the resources area of this lecture. So you can go to the related download page using this link directly, or you can perform a quick search on the internet. So let's open up a browser and type in download VMware. Here, you will see two download links from the website vmware.com. They are VMware Workstation Pro and VMware Workstation Player. The Pro version is not free, so we select the free version, the VMware Workstation Player. As you know, companies often update their websites. So if you see a different layout here, do not worry. You can still find where to download, or go to the download link in the resources area of this course to find it directly. So let's scroll down a bit to see the download link. As you see on this page, we can download the VMware software for Windows or Linux without the need to sign in. We will click on the one for Windows and start the download. Alright, now let's close this page and start the installation using the downloaded file. All we need to do is to click on Next, accept the license agreement, and Next, and Next. It is so easy. You can read the options here and check or uncheck these options as you like. So I'll continue installing the software. Here, you will see two buttons. If you have a license for VMware, you can click on the license button to use VMware for professional work. If you want to use it for free, you can simply click on the Finish button here. So we will use it for free since this is for personal use. Perfect. But we have one more step to do. Now let's run the software. You can find the shortcut on the desktop or click Windows and type in VMware to perform a search on your PC. The last step to finish the installation is to select if you want to use it for free or use a license. If you have a license, you can click on this radio button here and enter your license key. I will use it for free, so I'll keep this option selected and hit Continue and Finish. Wonderful. As you see, our software is completely ready to use. In the upcoming lectures, I'll show you how you can import the virtual machine image that we will use into this software. If you've successfully completed installing VMware, you can skip the rest of the video, because from now on, I'll explain how to install the VirtualBox software. But if you had any problems installing the VMware software or want to use the VirtualBox option, let's see how we can download and install this software. Let's go back to the browser again and type in download Oracle VirtualBox and hit enter. Here you can see two reliable links where you can download the VirtualBox software. One is from virtualbox.org and the second one is from oracle.com. You can use any of them, but I will use the virtualbox.org website since it usually uploads the latest versions faster than Oracle. So let's click on it. Here are the links that you can use to install the database. We will use Windows hosts here, but notice that this is for 64-bit operating systems. The VirtualBox software doesn't support 32-bit operating systems. So now let's click on this link and start the download. And save the file. Then open up the downloaded file and run the executable file. Great. We click on Next, 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 then Yes, and Install. Then click on Install on this window to allow the software to be installed. And then finish. As you see, it is so simple to set up VirtualBox also. Wonderful! Our software is ready to use. You can open it up using its shortcut on the desktop or by searching it using the Start menu. Alright, in this lecture you have learned how to install the VMware and VirtualBox software to use a virtual machine. But remember, you should either install VMware or VirtualBox. In the upcoming lectures, you will learn how to download and import the virtual machine image you downloaded into these virtualization tools. So this is the end of this lecture. See you in the next lesson.